Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the Owl.
This is Hop Hop the Owl's house. Look, Hop Hop is playing with a helicopter. The propeller is spinning. Peck Peck the Woodpecker is pulling a truck with a rope. Can it be attached to the helicopter? Shall we try?
Attach it.
It worked! Peck Peck is pulling the helicopter behind him, and the propeller is spinning. Turn around.
Uh-oh.
A little accident. The balls from the truck spilled out.
Let's straighten up.
What if we put the balls in the helicopter? The propeller has a hole in it.
It's for the balls. Look here.
1. The number 1 lit up. 2. The number 2. Please go on. 3, 4.
And 5.
All the numbers lit up. The lights too. And the propeller is spinning.
Wow!
What a surprise, birds! It turns out that it's a musical toy. Is something wrong, Peck Peck? I wonder what he's gonna do. A little lamb. I see. The woodpecker wants to put it into the helicopter. But it's not gonna work that way. And the buttons with numbers don't help.
Peck Peck, wait!
Hop Hop has an idea. He presses the arrow button and the cabin opens.
This is a pilot's cabin.
And here is the pilot. The little lamb is going to fly the helicopter. Time to take off? Hop Hop, put the helicopter on the ground.
Press it!
The cargo bay opened. The balls are spilling out.
Shall we play again?
Sure. We put 2 balls into the helicopter, and the numbers light up, 1 and 2. We can play like this all day.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the Owl.
Today, Hop Hop is playing chef. We'll be cooking a toy pizza. Here are green pepper and tomatoes. Hop Hop, are you building a tower? What shape looks like a pizza?
A circle!
Right! Connect the bottom parts to make a circle. Great! What's next?
Cheese!
And what else?
Tomatoes! Green pepper! Yummy!
Who's that knocking at the door? It's Peck Peck! Peck Peck, will you play chef with Hop Hop? What do you want to put on the pizza? Banana?
Banana won't do.
Oh, don't be upset, Peck Peck. Let's look for the toy mushrooms that Hop Hop hid for you. Meanwhile, Hop Hop will think about what to cook the pizza in. This is a microwave. It's real. You can't put toys in it. You understand, right? We need to find 3 mushrooms. Peck Peck has already found the first one. And here's the second. Let's look for more. The third mushroom. A snail is sitting on it. The snail probably thinks the mushroom is real. The third mushroom. Into the basket it goes. Well done. Time to head back to the kitchen. Hop Hop has made an oven out of a cardboard box. It has knobs for setting the mode and temperature. And a pizza stand.
Mushroom pizza!
1, 2, 3. Yes, Peck Peck found all the hidden mushrooms. Let's cut them. 2, 4, 6. From 3 mushrooms, we get 6 halves. Let's put the mushrooms on the pizza. Now put the pizza in the oven. And turn it on.
It won't turn on!
Peck Peck has brought 2 toy flames.
Hooray!
The pizza will be ready soon. Let's set the table.
The pizza's ready!
Let's arrange the slices on the plates. First, second, and third. That one's for the snail. She wants to play too.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Banana?
A fruit pizza.
A wonderful idea.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. There's a fishing rod on the road. Butterflies are flying. Peck Peck is chasing it. He wants to catch the butterfly. Peck Peck, watch your step. full? Oh no! Are you hurt? You seem okay. This is a fishing rod. You can catch fish with it. Peck Peck wants to catch the butterfly with it. It didn't work, of course. If you want to play with the rod, you need to find fish. Watch carefully. Where can you find fish? In the ball pit. Toy fish are in the ball pit. Oh, the fish are jumping funny. Peck Peck will fish. He casts. You caught a fish! Where can you put it? In a bucket. That's one. Try for a second. Cast. And wait. And wait. A bite. Pull! That's two. Into the bucket. Peck Peck casts once more. It's not coming? So what'd we catch? A duck? That's a catch. Peck Peck wants to show Hop Hop.
Who's there?
Peck Peck.
Hi!
Hi, Hop Hop. Peck Peck brought some new toys.
A ducky!
Hop Hop, what are you searching the box for? A music box. It looks like a lake. Peck Peck hits it like a drum.
Not like that.
Hop Hop shows how to play with the toy. Wind it. Like this. Mommy Duck and Baby Duck spin to the music. The birds are dancing. What a nice musical toy.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop the owl.
Hello, Hop Hop.
Hello.
Oh, the little owl knocked over the tower with the ball. What a good shot he is. The pyramid has smashed into little pieces. Red, yellow. Half a green ball landed on the snail. Hop Hop is collecting up the toys.
Half a ball? Half a ball? Ball.
A green wing. Peck Peck has rescued the snail.
Half a ball? Half a ball. Ball.
Hop Hop wants to make a green ball. But where's the other half? Shall we look for it? It's not behind the bush. Ants, did you take half of the green ball? No, they didn't. Who might have it? There's your toy, Hop Hop.
It's a
Peck
tower.
Peck has made a hat out of it. 2 hats.
Half a ball. Half a ball. Ball.
And if you put the balls one on top of the other, you get traffic lights.
Red light.
Snail, stop at the red light.
Yellow light.
Get ready.
Green light.
Off you go, Snail. The traffic lights are green. Hop Hop has decided to roll the red ball down the slide. The ball has come apart into 2 pieces. And Peck Peck is rolling 2 balls at once. But where is the little owl? Peck Peck, can you see him?
Surprise!
Peck Peck loves surprises. What do you think is inside the ball? Can you open it? The ball has opened up. There's a tractor inside.
Tractor.
Hop Hop is building something. What is it?
It's a tower.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a tower made of 6 parts. Off you go, tractor. Now we can make the tower again.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. This is Peck Peck's house. Hello, little woodpecker. Where are you rushing off to? new toy! A house for your animals. Look, it's a gray kitten. Shall we put it in the house? The door won't shut. Try one more time, Peck Peck. Oh, it opened again. What should we do? Maybe Hop Hop knows how to play with the house. Let's go! There are so many toys in the motorcycle's sidecar. The birds are saying hello. Such good manners.
It won't stay closed. We need a key.
That's a great idea, Hop Hop. Hop Hop's decided to have a look through his toys. What's he got? Careful, Ant. It's raining toys. Oh, and frogs.
Found it.
We can use the keys to lock and unlock the doors. The red key goes with the red door. There we go!
A yellow door. A yellow key.
Let's open it. Now who's going to live here? Let's find the right toy. That rock? No. That ant's definitely not a toy. The cow!
Moo!
The cow's going to live behind the yellow door.
Now for the purple door.
Peck Peck wants to put a block in the house. The sheep's going to live there. We need the purple key. Only the green door's left. Who's going to live there? The frog!
Rabbit!
Hop Hop's so funny! Let's lock that door now.
Everybody's home!
The cow and the sheep, and the frog and the kitten. Our little owl and Woodpecker are cleaning up their toys. Time for Hop Hop to get back home. The ball's been put away. And the blocks have too. Oh, here comes a ladybug. Let's show her who's living inside. The cow. Moo! The frog. Ribbit, ribbit. The kitten.
Meow!
The sheep. Bah! Everybody's home.
Yay!
The birds are loading the house into the motorcycle. They're off to play with it at Hop Hop's. Till next time, little birds.